Good afternoon and welcome to the Daily Market Update. The DSCX slipped back into the red zone again today as it lost by 65.45 points or 1.01% today and settled at 6,413 points. Market turnover was BDT 12.98 billion, which is a decrease of 3.37% compared to the previous trading day. Beacon Pharmaceuticals, Orion Pharma, Kohinoor Chemicals, Orion Infusion and Acme Laboratories from the pharmaceutical sector, Beximco, Index Agro, BBS Cables and BSRM Steels from the industrial sector and Tamijuddin Textiles from the textile sector mainly dragged the market down today. Almost all the sectors remained in the red zone today except for the mutual funds sector that posted the highest gain of 0.03%. The IT sector posted the highest loss of 2.94% and the cement sector registered the second highest loss of 1.99% today. 7 industrial companies and 3 textile companies were among the top 20 losers today. Bangladesh Monospool Paper, Fine Foods and Rahima Food registered the highest gain, while Apex Foods, Far East Knitting and Vidicom Online were the top losers. Investors exerted selling pressure on Apex Foods and Far East Knitting, even though both of these companies reported significant growth in their annual earnings compared to previous year. There is no publicly disclosed price-sensitive information for the price increase of the remaining stocks. The trading volume of Anwar Galvanizing, Fine Foods and Rahima Food increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. There is no publicly disclosed fundamental reason for the volume increase of these stocks. Today's top 2 news. Government's exports to the European Union (EU) has increased by 12.43% year-on-year in the first quarter of the current fiscal year, largely due to 21.35% and 36.72% growth of exports to Spain and France, respectively. Meanwhile, Bangladesh's largest export market in the EU, Germany, grew by only 1.34%. Such a situation of deceleration in growth is similar for other major markets including the US, China, Russia, UAE, etc., predominantly Russia-Ukraine war, along with soaring inflation which slowed down government shipments. The International Monetary Fund (IMF) representatives will be arriving in Bangladesh to conduct negotiation on the disbursement of the requested loan of maximum $4.5 billion to Bangladesh. Objective of providing this loan benefit to Bangladesh is to resolve the foreign exchange reserve crisis and to contribute in recovering the country's overall economic downturn situation caused by pandemic and war. That's all for today. We will be back again tomorrow with more updates on Dhaka Stock Exchange. Follow LR Global on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.